Yes, indeed. Man, I envisioned this stuff years ago. Love it. Love it. Squad goals. You need something clean? Give me a call. We gonna get it done, baby. Believe that. All right, y'all, we rocking and rolling out here at Camp Twin Lakes. Stayed over there getting it done. Over here, banging this out right here. Let's go over here and check out what some of the other big dogs are doing. Let's go around here. Let's see what we got here. Yes, indeed, Sunbright in the building. Got Sunbright here. All right, Sunbright is in the building. They doing their thing. As always, come, show up, and show out. Got Sunbright in the building. Yes, indeed. We over here doing what we do, y'all. We over here doing what we do. Indeed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's up, guy? How you doing, man?
Good, yeah.
Good, man. I need to get that lift from you.
I got it.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Yes, bang. Got Flash over here doing his thing. All right, y'all, we out here giving back, like I said. Got that done. All that done, all the buildings are done, all the concrete's done. These buildings, that concrete right there, other than where this truck is, not sure who that is, but he's got the dope. Yeah, now we're working our way out towards the end of the driveway. Got about 8 golf carts up here that we're gonna clean. Then we're out of here, man. Appreciate the opportunity, love to get back. I remember those days when I didn't have. Peace. Got doing the chemicals here. Crown, Blast, Mayhem pressure washing, Sunbright pressure washing, Diamond Power washing and repair solutions, Crown, a man under pressure. He's actually spearheading the event. Again, you got his hands. Exterior's over there taking care of the wagons for the children. And believe it or not, we cleaned this entire place, guys, for the most part, things that actually needed attention. There were a total of 8 power washing companies out here from Georgia. And we got together and we worked this out. All right? You want it done right? My suggestion is 5 4.